Did you know that Hyundai is taking a giant leap into the future by acquiring Boston Dynamics and is set to use their Atlas humanoid robot in vehicle production by 2028? This is just the beginning of a new era in manufacturing. In today's video, we'll explore how this acquisition could reshape the automotive industry, the fascinating world of time travel debugging for developers, and what all this means for the future of technology. You're not going to want to miss this. First up, let's talk about Hyundai's bold move. According to startupfortune.com, on June 19, 2026, Hyundai completed its acquisition of Boston Dynamics for a whopping $325 million. This is significant because Boston Dynamics is known for its cutting-edge robotics, including the Atlas humanoid robot. Hyundai plans to integrate Atlas into its vehicle production lines by 2028. Imagine a factory where robots do the heavy lifting, literally. This acquisition signals a shift in how cars may be manufactured in the future. With robots like Atlas, Hyundai is looking to increase efficiency and reduce labor costs. But it's not just about saving money. Robots can work in environments that are dangerous for humans, potentially improving workplace safety. This is a game changer for the automotive industry. Now let's pivot to a fascinating development in software engineering. Have you ever wished you could rewind time when debugging your code? Enter time travel debugging. At the BCPP Symposium 2026, Chris Croft-White introduced this concept, which offers developers the ability to step back through the execution of their applications. This revolutionary technique allows for unparalleled visibility into code execution. Imagine being able to see exactly where your program went wrong, just like rewinding a tape. According to isocpp.org, this method not only helps in fixing bugs faster, but also enhances the overall quality of the software. In a world where time is money, this could lead to substantial savings for tech companies. Finally, let's take a look at something that might not seem related at first, but is part of the larger picture of technology enhancements. Intel's latest graphics driver update. Released on June 19, 2026, the Intel Arc graphics driver version 32.0.1.6299 is more than just a simple update. It's designed to fix various issues and introduce new functions for Windows 11 users. As gamers and content creators rely more on graphics performance, updates like these are crucial. They not only improve the user experience, but also ensure that software can run smoothly on the latest hardware. According to softpedia.com, keeping your driver updated can lead to better performance in demanding applications, a key factor as technology continues to evolve. So, what do these developments tell us? The integration of robotics in manufacturing, advancements in debugging techniques, and the importance of software updates highlight the rapid pace of change in technology. Here are the key takeaways from today's discussion. 1. Hyundai's acquisition of Boston Dynamics is set to revolutionize car manufacturing with humanoid robots by 2028, enhancing efficiency and safety in the industry. Time travel debugging, as presented by Chris Croft-White, offers developers an innovative way to resolve software issues, potentially saving time and improving quality. Regular updates, like Intel's graphics driver, are essential for maintaining optimal performance in software applications, which is critical for both gamers and professionals alike. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Hyundai's use of robots in manufacturing? Do you believe time travel debugging will become a standard practice for developers? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of AI and technology. Thanks for watching.